Presenting the 2014 Chevrolet Suburban. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a powerful 8-cylinder engine driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Call today to schedule a test drive.